Hello everyone, hi guys. I just had a very scary ordeal where I flew outside and my drone did not want to get down. It could only go up and I didn't know what was going on. I wanted to land it back home immediately when I realized that it doesn't want to go down. It could go up but not down. Very strange. I couldn't figure it out what was going on while it was going on because I was very scared. But eventually I realized that I can, like, the drone goes into landing if I push all the way down the stick. So I just did that. It started landing outside of my balcony and I just brought it in so that it could like hover near me, and that's how I got it back. But it was very scary, really. I was like, oh my god, my drone. I'm probably gonna upload that video. It's a short one, but yeah. So now I realized what it was. I had left my drone inside near the heater, and when I went outside it fogged up. I think that I don't know if it fogged up, but or maybe they were just dirty also, the bottom visual sensors, because that's exactly what it behaved like. Now I realized that when I was pressing down it started to land and it could only go up, not down. But it's very scary.
Take off.
It goes up and down now while I'm inside. And after that, I'll give it a flat try outside and see how it goes. I've calibrated its compass and its IMU. That was very scary. Wow, I need people to just calm down a bit. It seems like it's better now. It goes up and down.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so much snow. I'm going to do 1080p, 60 recording today. Yeah, 1080, 60. Wow, that was so scary. Oh my god, I still can't believe how scary that was just now. Again. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't fly in minus 16 degrees. It's minus 16 now. I was wondering why my drone is flying so slow. Yeah, it's pretty cold outside, guys. Seriously, I'm just gonna bring my drone inside because I mean, its battery's probably it's still doing good, but the aircraft knows that it's cold, so I'm afraid of keeping it outside for a long time. There is a dog down there. Damn, it's so cold. I guess the new app knows when you're cold, so it's like it just keeps telling you all the time. Alright, well I guess that was my flight for now. Sweet guys. I'll probably fly later when it's a bit warmer. Alright, let's bring this puppy in now. I still can't believe you didn't want to land just now. I was so scared. I thought my drone was like gonna fly away or some shit forever. I see this very big bird, but I don't want to risk filming it by its nest. Alright, sweet guys.
Landing.
Sweet. 60% storage voltage. Because it's so cold these days that there's no point of flying. It's like I'm just afraid something's gonna happen to my drone. Sweet. Bye everyone.